I guess I'm going to Spain. So do you guys want to come with me? Yeah, let's go, guys. Alright guys, I'm Captain Pong from the future, and this doesn't go well for me, okay? Look at this guy. He sounds so confident, but nothing good will happen right now. But anyway, this is how my vlog's supposed to look like. Let's just get on with it, and I'll see you guys later. So, funny thing guys, I didn't even check. For a Philippine passport, you need a visa to come in Spain. Alright, stop. Yes guys, I did not have a chance to actually go inside Spain because of my carelessness. I will give you details on why, but still, honest mistake, I did not know, and stuff happens. I learned from experience, and that's about it. So for now, I can't give you guys anything. I promise you guys, I will take you guys to Spain. After Spain, we did not have any choice. My only option is going to Miami, which is the only flight available from that time, and I had a chance to talk to the police, because supposed to be what they want to do is, because I came from New York to Spain, so the police wants me to go back to New York, which is kinda hard for that time because the New York flight is gonna be next day, so I'm gonna be stuck there if I am gonna do that. So I ended up booking a flight to Miami. I don't want to ruin my trip anymore. Let's go to Miami. Hey, what's up viewers? So did you guys enjoy my, well, okay, to be exact, Chicago, Dallas, New York, then Spain, Miami, Dallas, back to Chicago. So did you guys enjoy everything? During my trip, yes, I was being careless. The thing about that is we did not plan ahead of time. When my friend asked me if we can go to Spain, it was a day before. For some reason, the most important stuff that needs to be taken care of, I didn't even look it up. I was so eager, get everything ready, pack my bags, pack my gadgets, and I wasn't even thinking about the correct paperwork that I need to bring for my trip. When I was looking up the internet, all I saw was if you are a permanent resident or if you are a US citizen, going into Spain is not a problem at all. But what I missed was their specific passports that actually needs a visa to get in Spain, and my passport was one of those, Philippine passport just to be exact. Just if you guys are planning to go to Spain, try to look up what kind of passport you guys have and what kind of visa you need so you won't end up like me. Okay, travel tips for amateur travelers out there, and this is now based from my experience just because of what happened to me. When going to another country, make sure you guys check your valid paperwork that needs to be with you when you travel. Passport, visa, and identification cards or IDs. Number 2 tip, always plan a vacation. Never be like me. One day travel is enough if it's gonna be another city, but if it's gonna be another country, that's gonna be a problem. At least make sure you plan your trip. 2 to 3 days would be enough. Enough to pack your bags, enough to do some research where you want to go when you get there, enough for even just checking paperwork. 1 day is enough, trust me, but I made that mistake and it was all on me. When you guys travel, check the weather from where you are and where you are going. You guys don't want to end up like me too. I am a non-rev passenger, so that means I am going to be waiting in line if there's availability. So what happened to me is that from Miami, I was going back to Chicago, but then that day where I am going back to Chicago had a really bad snow weather. So I ended up staying there for I don't know how many hours, and that made my trip even worse because all I want to do after Miami was just to go home and relax. The next tip, just bring enough stuff. Don't bring a lot, don't bring less, just enough. Because bringing enough is more efficient not only when you go there, it's also when you're going back home. Just because if you bring a lot of stuff and you go home, you don't want to spend your time digging through all the stuff that needs to be taken out. You know what I mean? For me, I brought enough. There was a plus for my side. Just because when I went home, I just got enough for 3 days. And 3 days wasn't bad for a guy. Just for a guy. And then next tip, make sure when it comes to money exchange, do not do it in the airport. Based in my experience, airport actually charge you a lot higher than normal prices. So money exchange, always find better options before going to travel. Last tip guys, don't make a bad trip ruin your day. In my experience, I did. As far as you've seen, I didn't really take a lot of videos in Miami just because I was so ready for Spain. My mind was so focused on what I'm gonna do in Spain that when I got to Miami, all I want to do is just relax, eat something, and just be in the beach and think about all the bad stuff that been happening to me. So just a tip, don't make that, just don't make it ruin your day. If your flight got cancelled in a certain city, what I could advise you to do is try to find a place where you can actually go and relax. Go to a place where you haven't gone to. Try to explore and just make your day more better, and don't make it worse because your day is not gonna be doing well if you do. I think that's about it guys. I think that covers everything that I have to say regarding my bad experience during my trip. I'm hoping to see you guys again in my next vlog, which I promise you guys it's gonna be the city of Chicago. Thank you all for watching, and this is Captain Pong. I am gonna see you guys next time. Bye.